Hi Click Designers! In this video, I'll demonstrate how fast it is to use Click Packaging's done-for-you templates to create a cosmetic cream jar label for your Amazon shop or e-commerce store, just like what you see here on the screen. Let's get started and I'll show you how quickly we'll get things done in a few minutes. First, log into your ClickDesigns account and then click on Templates. Hover your mouse over to the right side and then click on the Packaging category. Under this section, you will have the Cosmetics section pre-selected. On the left-hand side, click on Cream Jars so you can load all the cream jar templates. Choose something that you like and then click on Use Template. Type in your design title and then right after that, click on the Edit button. Let's move a little bit this title on top and then let's change the sub-headline and then paste our own. Delete that text and then let's select these two text boxes. Move them on top and then paste our own text. Right after that, let's press enter so that we have two lines right here. Let's duplicate this text box. There you go, and then paste that here at the bottom, and then let's paste our own description. Then let's go ahead and select a shape. Let's send it to back. Right after we send it to back, let's copy the color code of this headline, which is red. Let's paste it here on the shape, and then let's change the text color of the text inside. Then we will make some more adjustments. So let's make this shape a little bit smaller, move the text a little bit higher, and let's select the name or the brand of the jar. Let's make it light green. There you go. And then we're going to make some final touches here, group them together, move it upwards, and then make it a little bit bigger and adjust the shape and center it as well. Once we're done, let's click on Preview. And once we're happy with it, let's exit the preview and then let's click on Save and Exit. Right after that, let's click on Save. Then we click on Export, select an export type and the DPI or dots per inch. After that, let's save it in our local drive and then let's click on Exit. And we're done! That's how quick and easy it is to use Click Packaging's done-for-you templates to create a cosmetic cream jar label for your Amazon shop or e-commerce store. Go ahead and try this yourself. Happy click designing!